Hey guys, how you doing? This is Andy Huang. 大家好，我是黄家贤. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Hey, listen, I would like to share something with you. It happened over the weekend at an open house. Basically, what happened was that a couple of people, they came in, they discussed very loudly regarding the safety of the neighborhood. So then it was pretty obvious that listing agent that wasn't prepared, first of all. And then second of all, it didn't know how to engage such conversations. So it happened in Little Neck. So if you follow the news, you know about a week ago, it was discovered in one of the houses around the corner of Northern Boulevard and Marathon Parkway, a rotten, severely decomposed body. So they brought it up and they were saying, oh, and factor that in with the break-in rape case. Little Neck, it's not a safe neighborhood anymore, this and that. So wanted to make sure that, because it wasn't my open house, so I didn't want to interfere, but I wish the listing agent would have done something differently than what the end result was. So obviously they were discussed that, oh yeah, okay, it happened, but it wasn't, no one knows what happened, and because it's an ongoing investigation, so we really couldn't discuss too much about it. So it just made the people, there were like 4 or 5 different sets of people looking at the house, so it made them kind of awkward. So they gave you the spiel like, oh yeah, okay, thank you, we'll contact you. I could guarantee you those people, they weren't, because they didn't like what they hear, and then they were just, it was just a lost cause. So wanted to make sure that, if you pick an area, if you pick that neighborhood to be your farm area, your home market, you got to know everything happens. We've talked about it. There's so many different things. You can set Google alerts for key phrases that gets triggered. You get an email, follow the news, newspaper, stuff like that. There's so many things you could do. And, if you're not sure, always reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you and help you kind of prepare. Honestly, there are things like regular scripts that you kind of familiarize yourself, get better with it. But when it's something like out of the blue, especially you don't know anything about the news, I definitely understand it's very hard for you to engage in a conversation. But if you have any questions, reach out to me. Talk to you later. Bye now.